Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm taking you through a 10-minute jump rope workout. Specifically, if you're just getting started with the jump rope or if you had to bust it out of the dusty closet where this thing's been hiding away, this thing right here got me in the best shape of my life when I was in college. The jump rope is super powerful and I highly suggest you grab one because you can take it wherever you go. So we're gonna do a follow along, simple 10-minute workout today. You can use this as a warm-up for your actual workout or as a standalone cardio workout, or if you just want to get more comfortable with the jump rope, I'm going to take you through the steps to get started right now. Grab your cell phone, grab your timer, hit pause on the video, and let's get started with the jump rope workout right now. All right, so if you're not comfortable using a jump rope yet, I'm going to give you a quick tip that'll help you get way more comfortable, way faster than anything else. Set the jump rope down, pretend like you have a jump rope in your hands, and you're just going to start jumping without it, right? You just want to get that nice fluid rhythm where you're not trying to jump way off the ground and try to clear the rope by a ton of distance. You're just staying on the balls of your feet, jumping just high enough to let the rope pass underneath the toes, okay? Arms are nice and tight at the sides, and we're just using the wrist. We're not swinging our arms, doing all that craziness to try to get the rope around, right? So I call it air rope, but ultimately it's just getting you in the right state of mind to start incorporating the rope. So now that we have practiced that a little bit, grab the jump rope, make sure that it's adjusted for appropriate size. For me, I'll show you what mine looks like so you can compare to yours. I like to step on my rope, nice and even here, and the handles go right up to mid of my torso, all right? That's where mine is, that's what's most comfortable for me. Testing this out with you. Some of you have a longer torso, shorter legs, or vice versa. I'm a longer torso guy, so that's what I like to have for my jump rope length. So to get started, first things first, make sure you have your timer. We're gonna hit start and we're gonna do a nice and easy, just standard jump rope for a minute to get really warmed up, okay? So 1 minute, then we're gonna rest for a minute. I'm gonna talk you through the next style of jumping and we're gonna keep going back and forth, 1 minute on, 1 minute off for 10 minutes, all right? So without further ado, grab your timer and hit start right now. We're just gonna get into a nice and easy jump rope, okay? Both feet coming off the ground. Nice and easy. Keep an eye on the timer. We're about 15 seconds in. If you wanna go a little bit slower, that's fine. If you mess up, just start over again. Don't have to start the timer over. Just get right back into jumping, okay? Nice and easy. Both feet coming up off the ground. We're halfway there. Stay nice and tight. I messed up, see? I'm just same as you, probably screwing up a little bit here and there. It's totally fine. Just get right back into it. 15 seconds. And relax. Okay, so while you're resting, I'm gonna show you the next thing. We're just gonna start a boxer skip, okay? And all this is going from one toe to the other, okay? And once again, if any of these are too challenging, just revert back to the standard jump rope. I'm gonna demonstrate real quick what this looks like. Boxer skip. One to the side, okay? Back and forth. Okay, now we're gonna rest for another 25 seconds and then we're gonna jump into that, okay? So make sure you're breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Relax, we're just getting started. The boxer skip's gonna be a little more challenging and then we'll move on to another one. 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and we go. Boxer skip, back and forth. Once again, I'm not a jump rope guru or anything. I'm just someone who enjoys it. And I want to show you what I do to spice it up a little bit, mix up my cardio, get some more activity in, warm up for my workouts. Just have fun, right? Once again, I'm not breathing too hard yet. So if this is too hard, if you're like, no, can't do this one yet, it's all good. It's go back to the standard jump rope. Back and forth, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, about 20 seconds left. Up. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. All right, so rest. Starting to feel the heart rate pick up a little bit. So now, we're gonna build in a little bit more high intensity, okay? We're gonna build in some high knees. We're only gonna do high knees for 30 seconds though. I'll show you what it looks like. So we're jumping here. Bring the knees up. Okay, that's how we're gonna start the next round. 30 seconds, and then we're gonna go back to the boxer skip, okay? 30 seconds high knees, and I'll tell you when to switch. Once again, if it's too hard, don't worry about it. Just do the standard jump rope for a minute, okay? Just getting your cardio going. 15 seconds. All right, 5 seconds, get ready. High knees to start for 30 seconds. You ready? Let's go. Definitely gonna feel things start to pick up here. Halfway there. All right, back to the boxer skip. Back and forth. Fifteen seconds, come on, finish strong. Halfway there almost. Halfway through the 10-minute workout. All right, awesome. Give yourself a little rest. Breathe in, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the high knees for this next round, but this time we're doing 45 seconds, all right? 45 seconds high knees. And we're gonna finish with just standard jump rope, okay? So 45 seconds high knees, 15 seconds just standard. Now, you might notice that your forearms are starting to burn a little bit. That's normal, you're using them, right? That nice rotation. So shoulders and arms are starting to burn, that's a good sign. Just keep those elbows in tight. Use the wrist, you'll get used to this. You're gonna love the jump rope before you know it. So 10 seconds, and we're gonna finish up. Well, actually, we're almost done. We got a couple more rounds. High knees for 45 seconds, okay? Ready? Let's go. Stay focused here. Don't let those arms go too far out. Keep going. All right, so we push, 15 seconds, let's go. 30 seconds in. Keep going. 5 seconds. Whew. All right, now standard jump rope. Finish out the minute. Good, and relax. Whew, all right. Oh man, all right, so now we're gonna go show you one more on this next minute. We're gonna do 2 hops, one side, 2 hops on the other. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so take your rest, 40 more seconds. We're gonna do double hops on both sides, okay? back and forth for a minute. And then you're home sweet home. All right, and I'll share with you a couple ideas on how to spice this up if you want to make it even more challenging. But for a lot of you, this is going to be plenty. All right, should be feeling nice and warm by now. All right, grab your rope, 5 seconds, and we're kicking it off again. Ready? And go. 1, 2. Stay tight. If this one's too hard, go back to the standard jump rope. If you mess up like I do, just get right back into it. Don't rest. Just get right back into it. "20 seconds, come on." All right, nice work. You got a minute to cool down. I think I went a little bit over a minute last time, but hey, a couple things. You can keep going. If you're like, oh, 10 minutes wasn't enough, that's awesome. Do this whole thing again, okay? I can set up a 20-minute or even 15-minute workout if you have more time. If you wanna make it more challenging, you can do things during your rest period. So you can do things like crunches, push-ups, jumping jacks, burpees. Like, the world's your oyster, do what you can do. But for those of you who are like, wow, that was brutal, I don't think I can do that much. That's okay. Start with 5 minutes. Start with no jump rope. Start with just the basic jump rope every interval. Don't think because, oh, I can't do the double hop or the boxer skip that the jump rope's not for you. This is a great tool. It'll just take a little time and practice to get better at it. So that's it for me. I'm gonna turn off my timer because we're done right exactly at 10 minutes. Make sure you grab a jump rope. I linked to a few in the description below of my favorites. This video is not sponsored by any jump rope company, so I linked to a few different ones that I think you'll like. If you made it this far in the workout, great job. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I have another free gift for you. Go to lookgoodnaked.co, and you can check out my entire 20+ page guide on how to look good naked, how to transform your body, and keep your results for life. That's lookgoodnaked.co. Appreciate you tuning in to today's workout. If you want to see more workouts like this, just drop a comment down below with what you want to see, and we'll cover it on a future video. That's it. Josiah Novak, thetruetransformation.com. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.